Assalamu alaikum friends. In this video you will learn how to invite friends in MOJ application. So let's begin the video. The process is very simple. Make sure that you are connected with your internet. First of all, you will simply go to your MOJ application.
Hello everyone.
So we have opened our MOJ application. Here you will go to your profile. So we have opened our profile. So here at the top corner there are three horizontal lines. Near the three horizontal lines there is a sign of a Chinese type sign. You will simply tap on that sign in the middle. So here are the invite via a WhatsApp. You will simply tap on it. The WhatsApp will be open. Here what you need to do is you will select your contacts which you want to invite, and you will simply tap on next. So now you will tap it, and the referral has been sent it. The invitation of the MOJ application have been sent it. So this is the simple process of sending an invitation of MOJ application to anyone in WhatsApp. If you like the video, please subscribe our channel for more informative videos. Thank you.